Hello guys, I want to talk about derivative. Derivative definition is the derivative of fx with respect to x is the function of f prime x, and it's defined as this formula. So definition, derivative of a function of a single variable at a chosen input value. So when it exists, it's the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the function at the point. So the tangent line is the best linear approximation of a function near the input. So for this reason, the derivative is often described as the instantaneous rate of change. So the ratio of the instantaneous change is in the independence variable to that of the independence variable. So here we can see the mathematician usually use derivative to count the loss and profit in the business. Sometimes they use the derivative in the temperature variation. So it's a normal thing in our daily life, and maybe the useful things in physics, like Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein usually use derivative in their calculation. So it's derivative is something we can use for our daily life. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Related rate can be defined as inderivative related problem solving involving finding at rate which quantity change by relating that quantity to other quantity whose rate of change are already known. So it means in one question they will be given one of the rate of change for one variable that we already know. So by that we can find other related rate for other variable easily. Second, the rate of change usually with respect to the time. For example, dv over dt. And last, to summarize, here the step in doing related rate problems. First, decide what the two variables are. Second, find an equation relating them. Third, take d over dt for both sides. Fourth, plug in all known values at the instant in question. And fifth, solve for the unknown rate. We move to problem statement. A pool cleaner wants to pump in water to the pool after doing regular cleaning in the pool. A swimming pool is 30 feet width, 54 feet long, 3.5 feet deep at one end, and 10 feet deep at other end. If water is pumped at the rate of 10 feet cubed per minute, how fast is the water level rising when it is 4 feet deep at the end? Given the formula of water at the pool is volume equal width times length times height over 2. A pool cleaner wants to know how fast the water level rising when it is 4 feet deep at one end. Because it is easy to pool cleaner to set a timing to stop the water level from rising more, so that the water in the pool are not overflowing and visitors are open to swim, include children. It is also easy to a pool cleaner for doing regular cleaning every week.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello, my name is Rosdana. So today I want to show how to calculate the problem statement. Okay, first we must to find the information that given from the sentence. So from the sentence, if water is pumped at the rate of 10 feet per minute, that means they give us the value of the dv/dt. So dv/dt is equal to 10. Okay, next, how fast is the water level rising? So they want us to calculate the level water rising, means dh over dt. When it is 4 feet deep, means the h is 4. Okay, so given the formula of the water, pool of the water inside the pool is volume is equal to width multiply by length multiply by height divide by 2. This is the formula only for the pool. only for the water inside the pool. Okay. So here is the information that that we have. So dV over dt is 10, H equal to 4, and volume of water inside the pool is width multiplied by length multiplied by H divided by 2. So we already given that width is 30 feet, okay, in this diagram. Alright. So the length is 54 and the width is 30. Okay. So first thing, we want to find the dH dt. So first thing, we must to create the formula of dH dt. So this is the formula of dH dt. dH dt is equal to dH over, since they give us the volume of the water is equal to this one, so we already have the formula of volume, so we can create dV dH from this formula. So dH over dt is equal to dH over dV. Okay, dV multiply by dV over dx, or dV over dt. Okay, this is the formula. So next we want to find the dH over dV. So first we use this formula to find dH over dV. So V is equal to 30. 30 is width. They already give us 30 feet. So we put 30 in here. Plus H multiplied by L. Okay. Divide by 2. So we don't want L here. We want to put L in terms of H. So we must create a formula of L. So in this diagram, we can see L in here is 54 and H is 6.5. So we divide L into H, we get 54 over 6.5. So L is equal to 108 H per 3. So this is L, value of L. So L, we put inside. So this we put inside the L, and then we get. Okay, so we get this one. Okay, we put inside the L, and then we must to multiply H inside of this. So we get this 30 multiplied by 108 H square over 13 divide by 2. Okay, so we get V equal to 1620 H square over 13. Okay, so what we need to get dV over dH is, we multiply the square root we multiply, let's see that. Okay, so we multiply the square root here to the in front of the number. Okay, so what we get is 3240. So what happened to the square root to here is we minus to 1. Minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the dV dH is equal to 3240 H divided by 13. So in this formula, we want that dH dV, but we already get the dV over dH. So we want to find the dH over dV. We just switch the upside and down. We just switch here. So 13 will be the upside of the function. Okay, so the dH over dV is 13 over 3240 H. Okay, so we already have the dV dt, and we already have the dt, the dV dt. So we just add the value here and the value that we find the dvdh, we just put at the formula. Okay, so what we need is we put 13/300 to 3240h multiplied by 10. Okay, so don't forget that we have a value of h. Value of h is 4. Okay, so we add 4 in here, and then we multiply it, and we get that the dh dt is equal to 13/1296 feet per minute. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
In conclusion, the derivative theorem are very useful to get or to calculate on our daily life problem, which is with respect to time. Based on our project, we can get to know the water level rising by using related rate problem, so that the pool cleaner can get save her or his time and can know to set the timer for water level stop from more rising when it is 4 feet deep at the end by using the related rates theorem. We can easily get the information by using the formula that given in the question.